Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best Bluetooth light bulbs on Amazon. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. GOVY Bluetooth Light Bulb. GOVY LED light bulbs are a great way to add some fun and excitement to your home. These dimmable, music sync changing light bulbs are easy to use and require no hub. You can control them with the GOVY Home app, which allows you to choose from over 16 million colors, create custom scenes, and set timers. One of the coolest features of GOVY LED light bulbs is their music sync mode. With this mode, the lights will dance to the beat of the music, creating a fun and festive atmosphere. You can choose from different rhythm and mode settings to create the perfect ambience for your party or get-together. GOVY LED light bulbs are also energy efficient, using up to 80% less energy than traditional incandescent bulbs. Number 2. Ring Bluetooth Light Bulb. If you're looking for a smart light bulb that offers the convenience of voice control and app-based automation without the bells and whistles of color-changing capabilities, the Ring A19 Smart LED bulb, white, is a great option. This bulb is easy to set up and use. Simply screw it into a standard light socket and connect it to the Ring app via Bluetooth. Once connected, you can control the bulb from anywhere in the world using your smartphone or tablet. The Ring Smart LED bulb, white, is dimmable and produces a bright, warm white light. It's perfect for everyday use in any room of your home. You can use the Ring app to turn the bulb on and off, dim it to your desired brightness, and schedule it to turn on and off automatically. Number 3. Texans LED Light Bulb. The Texans LED light bulb Bluetooth speaker is a unique product that combines the functionality of a traditional light bulb with the convenience of a Bluetooth speaker. This makes it a versatile and stylish addition to any home or office. The bulb has a standard E26 base, so it can be easily installed in any existing light fixture. It produces a bright, energy-efficient LED light that is equivalent to a 50-watt halogen bulb. The bulb also has a built-in Bluetooth speaker, which allows you to stream music from your smartphone, tablet, or other Bluetooth-enabled device. The bulb comes with a 24-key remote control that allows you to control the light and music independently. Number 4. Magic Light Smart Light Bulbs 4-Pack. Smart home lighting has become increasingly popular in recent years, and for good reason. Smart light bulbs offer a variety of benefits over traditional bulbs, including convenience, energy efficiency, and customization. Magic Light Smart Light Bulbs are a great option for anyone looking to add the magic of smart lighting to their home. Magic Light Smart Light Bulbs are a set of 4 color-changing LED bulbs that can be controlled using your smartphone or smart speaker. The bulbs are compatible with both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, so you can connect them to your home network and control them from anywhere in the world. Magic Light Smart Light Bulbs can produce over 16 million different colors, so you can create the perfect ambience for any occasion. Number 5. Senpai Allite Bulb. The Senpai Allite Bulb is a smart lighting solution that is easy to use and offers a variety of features to enhance your home lighting experience. With its auto-pairing feature, you can simply twist the bulbs into your sockets and start using them with your Alexa devices in seconds. No hub or registration is required. The Senpai Allite bulb is also dimmable and color-changing, so you can create the perfect ambience for any occasion. Whether you're relaxing after a long day or hosting a party, you can use your voice to adjust the brightness and color of your lights to suit your needs. In addition to its voice control capabilities, the Senpai Allite bulb can also be controlled through the Senpai Smart Home app. This app allows you to schedule your lights to turn on and off at specific times, group lights together into rooms, and create custom lighting scenes. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.